Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. As you can tell, we have our sunglasses on because we got lights this time, so hopefully this video looks a lot better than the previous one. Now, we have here the RTX 2060. It was released on Tuesday for $350. This is the what they're calling the entry level of the RTX series, and we're gonna bust it open now. Ooh. All right, flip that over for you. So, I hope you're excited to check this out. I'm excited to check this out. Let's begin in 3, 2, 1.
Wait. No. Come on! Not again. See you in a bit.
Okay, I'm back. I'm really sorry about that. That was just weird. Not going to try a snap transition. Not going to try a snap transition next time. We will save that for much later on. So on my left here, we have the build, and if you watch the previous video, you'll know that we were running the XFX R9 390 in this case, and the R9 390 is an 11.5-inch card. The RTX 2060 is a 9-inch card. And what I really do like about the NVIDIA design is the right pin power connector, because I picked up the EVGA power link just to make that right angled connection. So thank you, NVIDIA, for putting that on your cards. The RTX 2060, of course, is available now from all the major manufacturers, and it does come with a copy of Battlefield 5 or Anthem. I'm going to be on Anthem, so I'll see you all there. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thumbs up if you liked it. Cool. Thank you.